Good evening, everybody. It's Redsquadron4 here for Box Break 113 for a single box of 11-12 Rookie Anthology. The time is 11:15, May 9th. And congrats to the Senators for getting through the first round. Very excited about that. All right, camera. Sorry, folks. There we go. Here's the serial number, 6449 at the end. Best of luck to everybody. For the Islanders, Anders Nilsson, rookie from Pinnacle. For the Capitals, a rookie of Cody Eakin. Capitals rookie of Cody Eakin, also from Pinnacle. For the Hurricanes, Mike Murphy, Calder Contenders out of $9.99. That's cool. I pull lots of Cassian autographs, it seems, from Certified. Zach Cassian for the Vancouver Canucks. Nice die cut jersey card, number 150 of 299. To be random between the Penguins and Flyers, rookie rivalry, Joe Vitale and Matt Reed. For the Penguins, Carl Sneap from Crown Royal, rookie royalty. For the Ducks, Peter Holland, Pinnacle rookie. For the Calgary Flames, we have a rookie treasures level 3, so this will be at a $4.99, I believe, for Greg Nemus. Calgary Flames. Kelvin DeHaan of the Islanders, Pinnacle rookie. And we're down to the last pack. Probably a Phenoms card. Oh, much better than that. I think they're cool. tired of the Phenom. So this is for the LA Kings, the starting six. Kopitar, Brown, Jack Johnson, Justin Williams, Doughty, and of course Jonathan Quick. This is not serial number, but I believe on Beckett they're listed as being out of 200 or out of 199. Don't get those often out of anthology. And finally, we have for the Winnipeg Jets, jersey stick of Blake Wheeler. Jersey stick of Blake Wheeler of the Jets. Alright, so bear with me while I get the random set up. So, between Pittsburgh and Philadelphia, 3 randomizations. Whoever's in the number 1 position at the end of that will receive the card. 1, 2, and last in the number 1 position is the Philadelphia Flyers. They will receive the rookie rivalry card. Thanks everybody for your participation. Check out my auctions on Saturday, please. There's going to be some pretty cool ones. If I can get it up for tomorrow, I got a box of Prime, which I haven't done for quite a while. Really cool product, and see you then.